Children, today we will explain a chapter that is multiplication in second semester. That is for 5th standard. Okay, multiplication is a repeated process of addition. So the properties of multiplication are, it is a repeated process of addition. For example, if you take 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3, how much? 9. But we can write in the multiplication. 3 into 3, 3 is a 9. So like that, we can call it as multiplication is a repeated process of addition. Okay, next property of multiplication is the product of any number and 0 is always 0. Means any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. If you take 700 into 0 means any number which is multiplied by 0, the answer you get 0 only. The product is 0 only. And the next property is the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Means any number which is multiplied by 1, for example 3 into 1, the answer is the number itself, which is the number here 3. So these are some properties of multiplication. The first property of multiplication is a repeated process of addition, and the second property is the product of any number means the number which is multiplied by any 0, the product is 0. If a number is multiplied by 1, the product is itself. Here I take that the multiplicand and multiplier. So which number? The number which is multiplied. The number which is multiplied is called as multiplicand. Your number multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ multiplicand. The number which multiplies the given number, that is called as multiplier. The answer you get from both the multiplicand and multiplier is called as product. 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 3 are 6. 2 6 are 12, get 2, 1 carry, 2 3 are 6, here plus 1 carry, 7. This answer we call it as product. Clear children? Answer, that is we call it as product. Okay, here are some revision exercises. First we can do the revision exercise. Multiplication is a repeated process of addition. Any number which is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Any number which is multiplied by 1, it becomes, means the product becomes 1 only. Okay. We have to do some revision exercise. Find the product of the following. 35 into 0, 1 into 235, 100 into 0, 164 into 1. Here are some simple sums. We know the property of multiplication. Any number which is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Here 35 zeros are how much? 0. Next sum, 1 into 235. Any number which is multiplied by 1, the product is the itself number is 235. 235 ones are 235. Okay. So you know the property. 0 multiplied by 100, answer is 0. 164 ones are 164. So these sums are based on the properties of multiplication. Clear children? Next, some sums based on the 2-digit numbers. Secondly, find the product of the following. First one, 45 into 16. Second one, 18 into 42. So let this sum given sum 45 into 16. 6 5s are how much? So for this multiplication you have to learn the table, multiplication table. 6 5s are 30. For that you have to write 0 here. 3 carry. This is a multiplication based with carrying sums. 6 5s are 30. For that 0 here. 3 is a carry. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 how much? 27. Next digit, next 10th digit, it is in tens place. We have to leave one place. So for the confusion, here I put plus mark. 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Clear? Add this one 0. 7 plus 5, 12. For the 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Answer is what? 720. So, first multiply by using 1's place. 1 6 are 6 5s are 30. 0 here, 3 carry. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Leave one place. Like that. If here we write 3 digits, leave 2 places for the next step. Okay. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 0. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. Next, 18 into 42. 2 8s are 19, 16 for the 6. 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Leave one place. 4 8s are how much? 32. For that, 2 write down here, 3 carry. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3. 7. 6 5 7. Okay. Next, here I will take 3 digits. 12 into 162. Okay. 12 into 162. First, we multiply by using 1's place. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Leave one place. 6 2s are 12. Write down 2 here, 1 carry. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Clear? Again we write 2 places. Leave 2 places. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Answer 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 as it is. Answer means product is 1944. Here are sums based on the multiplication. That is the word problems. First one, cost of one notebook is rupees 16. Third means all the following. First one, cost of one notebook. How much? Rupees 16. What is the cost for 12 notebooks? Cost of 12 notebooks. So we know the cost of one notebook, that is rupees 16. Here we have to find out cost of 12 notebooks. So here we do the multiplication 16 into 12. You get the answer for the 12 notebooks. Okay. 2 6 are how much? 2 6 are 12. 2 1 carry. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Leave one place. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 1 1s are 1. 2. 3 plus 6 9. 1. The cost of 12 notebooks is rupees 192. Okay. So, now we go to 5 pence over here. The cost of 1 gel pen is 5 rupees. What is the cost of 5 gel pen? So 5 into 5 you get 5 5 is how much? cost of 5 gel pen is 25 rupees. The cost of a bag containing 10 kg rice is rupees 285. Cost of bag containing, so it containing 10 kg of rice. What's the answer? Means what is the amount for that? Rupees 285. We have to find for 25 bags of rice. Okay, for we have to find out 25 bags of rice. What we have to do? Multiplication. Multiplication for this. So multiply 285 into 25. You get the answer. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 2 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 42. 4 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. Leave one place. 10. 1 carry. 16 plus 1 7. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Add this one. 5 2. Here this one is 1 11. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. The cost for 25 bags of rice, that is 7,125. Like that we have to find it. So if we take some examples, we buy a dozen banana. You know the dozen means 12. Dozen means for how much? 12. Next, a notebook contains 192 pages. A notebook contains how much? 192 pages. How many pages do such? How many pages do such 250 notebooks? So one notebook ಎಷ್ಟು pages ಇದೆ 192. 250 notebooks ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು pages ಬೇಕು? So we have to do 192 into 250. Multiply both the numbers. 0 zeros are 0, 0 9s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Leave one place. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 46, 4 carry. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Leave 2 places for the next step. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18, 18 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Answer 0, 0. 6 plus 4 10, further 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 8 18, again 1 carry. Answer 48,000. There are 48,000 pages in a note in 250 notebooks. Like that, we have to divide, multiply the numbers. Or it will be 2 digits or it will be 4 digits. So let us do some 4-digit numbers. Okay. Find the product. Find the product of 1376 into 34. Okay, here I will take 4 digits. 4 6 are 24. Further 4, 2 carry. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 2 30. 3 carry. 0 3 carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 5 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Leave one place. 6 8s are 3 6 are 18. 8 1 carry. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. 2 carry. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Answer 4 8. 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 1 6. Again 4. Answer 46,784. So that is a product of 1376 into 34. A garment factory manufactured 2,718 dresses. How much? 2,718 dresses in a day. Find the number of dresses manufactured in 23 working days. So here we have to find out for 33 working days. In a garment factory, manufacture 2,718 dresses per day. So we have to find out for 23 days. 2,718 into 23. So multiply 23 to the given number, we get the dresses manufactured in 23 days. 3 8s are 24, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5, 3 7s are 21, 1, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Given case, 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 2 7s are 14, 14 for 4, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Add these numbers, 4, 5 plus 6, 11. For that 1, write down 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 5, 6. Answer is 62,514. So in 23 days, how many dresses are stitching or manufactured? 62,514 dresses. Okay. Here we do the exercise sums. Exercise number 1.1. For that, first we multiply. First one, 146 into 173. 146 into 173. Okay. So do the multiplication here. 3 6 are how much? 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4, leave one place, 7 6 are, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 are 42, further write down 2 here, 4 carry, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 4, 32, again write down 2 here, 3 carry, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Leave 2 places. 1 6 are 6, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So add these numbers 8, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 1. Plus 4, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, answer is 25,258. Second one, 178 into 142. So multiply first by unit place. 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Leave one place. 4 8s are 32. For the 2, 3 carry. 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 3 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7. Here we have to leave how much places? 2 places. 1 8s are 8. 1 sevens are 7. 1 ones are 1. 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 5. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is 25,276. Third one, 316 into 100. So you know the rule, there is a property, any number which is multiplied by 0, the product is 0 only. 0 6 are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0. Leave one place, again from tens place 0 is there, 0 6 are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0. Leave 2 places, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Answer 0, 0. Here 6, 1, 3. Answer is 31,600. Next sum, 100 into 523. 100 into 523. First multiply by 3. It is in the unit place. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. Leave one place. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. Here we have to leave 2 places. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. Add this one 0, 0, 3,